YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we got another Dollar Tree haul. It's been a minute since I've done a Dollar Tree haul, but I've been racking up these products for a couple of weeks and now I'm gonna share it with y'all. So I got literally like everything, so let's jump right into it. I found this cute little set. So this is by the brand Simple. I got the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. So it looks like this, and it comes in like a little pouch. So I thought that was cute. And it also comes with the facial wash. So I thought these were cute for like travel purposes. So if y'all see this, y'all should try it out. Next thing that I got was this Biore Charcoal Cleansing Micellar Water. So this is what it looks like. So it's just a little small like travel size version. Next thing that I got was this Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation, and for $1, like, yo, that's crazy. So I got the shade 107A Cream Ivory. So we're gonna test it out. Looks like this. Packaging, so cute. You open it, it looks like this. It got your little puff on it. And then you open it. How you open this? You open it. Comes like this. Okay. Let's see what this color is looking like. Ooh, it feels weird. So this is what it looks like. Well, y'all can't even tell, but it's a good match for me. The next thing that I got was some e.l.f. brushes. So I got the e.l.f. contouring brush, and then I also got the e.l.f. travel size stipple brush. So e.l.f. brushes is always a win if you see it in Dollar Tree, and also the Wet n Wild brushes are good, so I always stock up on them every time I go. Next thing that I got was just this regular edge brush. So I actually got two of these. I can't find the other one, but I got two of these, one for me and one for my sister. So next thing that I got was this LA Color Sugar Lip Scrub. So it says it softens and smooths lips. Lip scrub gently exfoliate your lips. So this one looks like, and it's in the sugar scents. So hopefully this works out good. I got this Revlon Color Stay Brow Mousse. So it looks like this. Let's open it. This is in the shade 404 Dark Brown. So it should be just like a brow gel. I never tried this before. Oh yeah. So it's basically just a brow gel. So it has basically the mascara end on the end, and then you twist this and the brow gel comes out. Alright. Okay, Revlon, I see you. Next, I got this blush by the brand Beauty Benefits. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice little pink color. So I don't really use like bright blushes. Like I'm more so like a peach blush kind of girl, or like a Milani Luminoso type of blush. But I'm gonna try this out. I think this would be good for like the summertime. So the shade is Fruit Punch. So let's open it. We're gonna see if it's pigmented or not, because they had a bunch of different shades. And if this is actually pigmented, then I might go back and get some more. So this is it. Let's see. Okay. It's pigmented. It's pigmented. So I might go back and get some more shades. Next thing I got was some regular hair clips, because I'm always losing my hair clips. So every time I go, I need to grab some more. I got this Jessie Girls waterproof liquid eyeliner, and this is in the shade Olive Green. And I don't have an olive green eyeliner, so I thought that would be cute. And Jessie Girl is actually a good brand. I know they have their variety, so let's see if this is even pigmented or not. A little shake. Okay, this is it right here. It's pigmented, but you do gotta build it up. But it is olive green, honestly, so I ain't mad at it. The next thing that I got, I was so excited for. So I found these little hair jewels. So as you can see, I have passion twists on right now. I did my hair yesterday, so if you guys want to see a video on how I did these passion twists, I'm gonna leave a link down below. But I got these little hair jewels so that way I can usually, like, when the passion twists start getting a little bit ugly, I put on these little jewels just to hide it. So I found these were cute. They have little stars on it. I got these regular ones, and then I got these like circle ones. So this is cute, and only for $1 each. You can't get mad at it. You can't beat it. I got this fragrance room spray. So this is by the brand Expressive Scent. This is in the fresh linen. That's what it looks like. It actually smells really good though. It smells good. It smells like fresh linen. The next thing I got is just some regular tea lights. This is in the fresh linen scent. So I got those. What else? I got these wristbands. So these are basically like mosquito repellent. So like if you're gonna spend the day in the park or something and you don't want to get bit by 1,000 mosquitoes, you slap one of these wristbands on and you're good to go. I got just more tea lights. This is in the apple cinnamon scent. Here go the other X brush. I got this face mask by Wet n Wild. It says luminous deep hydrating sheet mask, and it's infused with shea butter. So I got this just to try it out. I haven't really ever had a face mask from Wet n Wild, so we're gonna test it out, see how it goes. I got these hairstyling scissors, so basically just some shears. So I have a bunch of shears, but I feel like I always end up losing them when I really need them, so I always buy backups. I got this Your Curly Tight Curl Enhancer. This is extra strength with abyssinian oil. It's free of alcohol, parabens, sulfates, and dyes, and enriched with aloe and honey, and it's supposed to add moisture and define curls or waves. So I got this from my best friend. So I actually hauled this in my last Dollar Tree haul, and she actually really liked this, so I got her 5 of them because you can't find these nowhere else but Dollar Tree. So I got this LA Colors pressed powder. So this is in the shade tan, but look at the color, like it's really dark. So I think I'm just gonna use this as a bronzer or maybe like a contour. Next thing that I got was just some boring trash bags. This is vanilla scents. I got some shoelaces because I need some new shoelaces. I got this Arm & Hammer Essentials deodorant. So this is what it looks like. And I've been like transitioning to aluminum free deodorant. So basically all my deodorant that I use right now is aluminum free. So this one is just the Arm & Hammer one. I wanted to try it out. This is in the fresh rosemary lavender scents. So, and it smells really good. So I should have got another one of these, but I just got one just to try it out. Next thing, I got this shave gel moisturizing with vitamin E and aloe vera in the scent Berry Burst, and it's from the brand Personal Care. So I got this just regular shave gel. So I don't really shave, I usually just get waxed. I bought this just for, you know, them little occasions where you don't got no time and you just gotta shave your legs real quick. Got that. I got this Dettol Sensitive Long Lasting Moisture Antibacterial Body Wash, and this, I use this all the time and I love it. Like seriously, I love it. It smells so good. It smells so good. This is in the scent Lavender and White Musk. So if y'all see this, pick it up. Next, I got this Freeman's Cheeky Butt Smoothing and Toning Sheet Mask. So this is what it looks like. So it's basically a sheet mask for your butt. So it says, get cheeky and pamper your best asset with this booty sheet mask for softer, smoother looking skin. Peach extract and coenzyme Q10 tone and firm for picture ready sweet cheeks. Perfect for all booties. Okay. Directions: apply each sheet to clean dry skin. Keep mask on for 10 to 20 minutes. Avoid sitting while wearing. Remove mask and massage excess serum into skin. No need to rinse. Use once a week or as often as needed. So we gonna see if this does anything. I should have got more than one, but I only got one just because if it doesn't do anything, then it's like no point of even buying it. So I only got one. I'll let y'all keep you updated on that. Next, I got this travel size Tresemme All Day Hold hair gel. So I got this. And I also got these cooling headache patches. So it looks like this. So it comes with 8, and it's just a soft gel. So they come in little packs like this. So basically what you're supposed to do, it says wipe oil and sweat off the skin where it will be applied, peel off the clear film, and affix the gel side to the part of your body you want to cool. Chill in the refrigerator for an even greater cooling effect. Do not freeze, and cut to size with scissors. So basically just a soft gel patch that keeps cool. So if you have a headache, you could put it on your forehead, or if you have just any sore part of your body, you could put this on. So this is cool. If y'all see that, y'all should definitely try it out. So I got this Spick and Span Everyday Antibacterial Cleaner. It said disinfects, kills bacteria and viruses, and it is fresh citrus scents. So I got 2 of these, and only for $1. You can't beat that. Next, I got the matching disinfectant spray, Spick and Span just antibacterial spray cleaner. So it's the same thing, kills viruses and bacteria, and we need this during this COVID-19. The next thing that I got was this antibacterial liquid soap refill. So pretty self-explanatory. I also got this Dawn antibacterial hand soap / dishwasher. That's good. And this right here is the holy grail that I got. So I found LYSOL in Dollar Tree, and this is the mango and hibiscus scent, and it smells so good. Like it smells so good. So if y'all need LYSOL, try it at Dollar Tree. And it was like this lady, she had like 15 of these in her cart. Literally, she had like 15 of these in her cart, and this was the last one on the aisle, so I got it. Next thing that I got was this antibacterial wet wipes. So I actually got 3 of these because it's antibacterial. So that is basically it for my Dollar Tree haul. So I did buy a couple of other things, but it's just boring stuff. Like I got some plates, some cups, you know, some regular household items. So if y'all want to see another Dollar Tree haul or any other video, make sure to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'm also thinking about maybe doing like a Dollar Tree giveaway. So if y'all would be interested in a giveaway, comment down below and I'll make sure to make that happen. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.